Here's the simplest, most easiest way to improve your drawing skills that most people would not do. If I had to contribute majority of the gains that I've made in my drawing skills, it's just from this advice. Do it 100 times. It's simple. And most people would just be like, I know that. I'm fine. I'm going to click off from this video. I know that. But have I tried it? Have you tried it? Most people don't have the tenacity, the perseverance, and the capacity to do something, the same thing for 100 times. Do I have it? No. Did I need to build that particular thing? Yes. I had to do it despite me not liking to do it, and I had to build those attributes in order to be able to complete that particular task. And I've seen this thing work over and over again, and yet most people don't want to do it. Most people would spend time watching YouTube tutorials and art courses and stuff trying to find the newest piece of information, while some of the things that they need to be doing is staring right in front of their face. And I'm talking about myself, to be honest. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking to myself. Why is it that we know the things that we are supposed to do, which are often very simple for most parts, but we don't do it? Why do we always keep searching for new pieces of information, new pieces of content, new pieces of things in order for us to improve? Why do we feel that? Why? Because I think we inherently believe that the new piece of information will give me the edge that will help me get the thing that I want, that will help me do things way better than the next person, or it is the most optimal way, the right way, the perfect way. That's what we're probably looking for, aren't we? We're looking for this perfect piece of information that could solve all our doubts on drawing and art and creativity, so that we can make our comic books and animations and movies and lead a happy, creative life. But most of the times, the thing that we need to be doing is often simple, especially this advice of do things 100 times. If you want to get good at drawing heads, do it 100 times. If you want to get good at drawing comics, draw 100 pages of comics, or 100 short comics, or 100 comics. If you look at people like Bill Waters and Charles Schulz, thousands of comic strips. You don't look at them and say, I wonder why they're good at their stuff. They've probably done it thousands of times. That's why. So the advice is often very simple, but yet we look for new pieces of information because we feel the current information that we have is simple, therefore it's not complete, or it's effective, or it's right. So we look for new pieces of information that we think will get us the edge in getting the results we want, or getting the best results that we want, when in reality, you don't need best results. You just need some results. So what can we do? We can stop looking for new pieces of information, because information isn't the answer. Derek Sivers once said, if more information was the answer, then we'd all be billionaires with perfect abs. The information on how to be a billionaire with abs is on the internet right now, but people are not doing it. So then therefore, the information is actually not the answer. Answer is actually action on that information. And that's why it really pisses me off when I often look at some forums online, and they say, should I buy this online course? Well, that information is free online. You can just get it. Well, if the person who's selling a particular online course or program is just selling information, then yeah, probably you can get the information somewhere else. But it's not just information that is actually stopping you. It's information, structure, a curriculum, the right feedback, and most of all, more important than all of these four things, is action, implementation of that information, which is what you don't have. Then that means you gotta do the thing, gotta do the damn thing. So what can we do? We do things 100 times. Do the basics, do the fundamentals, do it 100 times. And that's the simplest piece of advice that you will not do, and I guarantee that. That's it for this week's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. See you on the next one, where you still won't listen to these things. Oh God. I'm talking to myself. I'm not talking to you. I'm not trying to offend you. You're sweet. You look pretty cute. What did you do today? Makeup? Very looking very good. So yeah, it's just for me.